Hello students, welcome to my channel CBSE Math class 11 chapter number 1 sets. Now today we start from 5 and 6. Before we start, let me please inform you that those who are new today, please look at the description box and follow my previous classes, which links are given below. And I hope it will be helpful for you. And if it is better to you, that please like it and subscribe it to follow my classes one by one. Let's start. Number 5. List of all elements of the following sets. And number 6, match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set of the right described in set builder form. Number 5, 1. A is a set where X is an element and X is such that X is an odd natural number. Okay? So, an odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 9, and so on. Okay? So, A is a set where X is an element and X is such that is an odd natural number is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Clear? And in the written form, we have to say in the set A where X is an element and X is such that an odd natural number that's are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Complete? Realize it? Understood? So next. Number 2. B is a set where X is an element of the set B and X is such that is an integer minus half less than X less than 9 by 2. That means X lies between minus half to 9 by 2. So here is X lies between minus 2, minus half and 9 by 2. So minus half means minus 0.5 and 9 by 2 means 4.5. So in the line, in the number line, we can draw the line, and where is 0? It is 0. It is 0. Okay, 0. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. This point is 4.5. Suppose this point is 4.5 and here is 0, minus half, minus 1. Okay. Now, here the question is lies between minus half, 9 by 2. So, minus half and 4.5. X lies between. So, the points are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, B is a set where X is an element of that set. X is such that X is an integer where X lies between minus half and 9 by 2 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the written form, in the that we have to say it is extra, and you can say in this way: in the set B where x is an element and x is such that an integer, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? You better understood. Now next, 5, 3. C is a set where x is an element and x is such that x is an integer and x square less than equal to 4. Now, if x is equal to minus 2, then x square is equal to minus 2 square is equal to 4, which is equal to 4, isn't it? Now, x is equal to minus 1, then x square is equal to minus 1 square is equal to 1, which is less than 4. X is equal to 0, then x square is equal to 0 square, which is less than 4, isn't it? X is equal to 1, then x square is equal to 1, which is less than 4. And x is equal to 2, x square is equal to 4, 2 square is equal to 4, which is 4, is equal to 4. So, in this set C, where x is an element and x is such that x is an integer, x square less than equal to 4 is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Understood? So we can say in this way, in the set C where x is an element and x is such that x square less than equal to 4, that's are 1 minus 2 minus 1 4 0 4 2. Okay, and now next 5 4. D is a set where x is an element of the set D and x is such that x is a letter in the word loyal. Loyal, loyal. So loyal, there are Loyal, 5 letters, isn't it? But in the set, there should be no repeated letter. When we form a set, there should be no repeated letter. That is, so the members of the element are Loya. So D is a set where x is an element and x is such that in a letter in the word loyal is equal to Loya. In the set where x is an element and the members of the element are Loya. So students, slowly and steadily you can realize it. Okay, now next 5. E is a set where x is an element of the set and x is such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. In the year, there are only January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, but February, April, June, September, November are less than 31. Here is the list, January to December. But less than 31 are marking it. So members of the element are February, April, June, September, November. So we write it E is a set where X is an element and X is such that is a month of year not having 31 days. That is February, April, June, September, November. So in this way we can say in the set E where X is an element and the members of the elements are February, April, June, November, September and November. Now next students 6 F is equal to F is a set where X is an element and X is such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K, before K. So here's the letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K up to K, and consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Okay, consonantal before K. So F is equal to F is a set where X is an element and X is such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K is equal to B, C, D, F, G, H, J. In this way, we can say in the set F, X is an element and X is such that consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K are B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Now next, 6 number 1. Here's you see that the matching from left hand side and right hand side. So first we have to see the right hand side. It is easy to solve it. Right hand side X is such that X is a prime number and the divisor of 6. So the divisor of 6 is 2, 3, 1. So the divisor is 6 is 2, 3, 1 and 6 also. But the prime divisor 2 and 3. You must say that 2 and 3 are prime divisor, isn't it? Yes. So it matches with number 2. Look at the book and match it. So A matches 2. A matches 2. A matches 2. Okay. Now next. B. X is such that X is an element where X is an odd natural number less than 10. All the natural numbers less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isn't it? Yes. All the odd natural numbers less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So it only matches with 4. So we can write B matches 4. Now next, C. Right hand side. X is such that X is a natural number and divisor of 6. X is equal to 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So divisor are 1, 2, 3, 6. So it matches with the number 1. So we can write C matches with 1. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And now next, D, mathematics, the elements are M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. No repeated. And it matches with 3. Okay. 3 matches with D. Now, this is my last, and I hope that you understood better, and if it is good for you, then you like and subscribe and follow my next classes. Then it's okay. Bye bye.